this is an area that I like to do with people who are struggling in this area, is just to create a statement of financial purpose, which really is just like, okay, what's really important to us? Because everybody has limited resources. It doesn't matter who you are. And so we want to make sure that we're helping you put your resources towards what's truly important to you. And it makes it a lot easier to make difficult financial decisions if you understand those values, right? So maybe it's charitable, maybe it's it's really important to somebody that they pass on a certain amount of money to a child, or maybe they have a special needs child. There's all kinds of different situations. Maybe somebody just really values quality time with their spouse and they want to travel a ton, right? We need to know those types of things so that we can help position their investments to be able to do the things that they're trying to do.